Wash your hands. Alright? Sure your hands are clean. Then you can use all-purpose flour. This is not all-purpose, this is regular flour. Alright? You can use all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour would be better. What I have is regular flour. A little salt. A little salt. A little sugar, optional, not a must. Just give it flavor, make it taste nice, alright? Just a little bit, alright? So notice it's not a lot in there, just a little. Give it flavor, make it nice, alright? Then, baking powder, soft margarine, and baking powder. And you wonder how this lady measure so much and she not use no measure. Alright. Now have the measuring spoon, measuring cup, but that now stop with. Alright. 1, about 2 spoons will do. 2 baking powder. Alright, so just throw some baking powder in there. Now we're going to put some butter, make it nice and fluffy. Alright, so you don't have to put a whole lot. Alright, that's great. Now cut up the butter. Some people cut it up, make sure it distributed all over the flour, not only one. Rub it into with your hands. Rub out that butter in the flour. Alright. And we're going to look after it with some tuna. Fried dumpling and tuna. Spicy tuna. We have some pickle in the bottle here. We're going to use it and fry up the tuna, make it hot. Make nose and ear run water. This is nice for breakfast and lunch. Alright. And the tuna is in, let me see if it's in water. In water. This one is not oil. That tuna is chunk, light tuna in water. Alright, I'm distributing the butter all over. Don't want it only one place alone. All the flour must get the butter, see? Rub it out before you start making it. And you have to put the flour to sit before you start frying it, alright? You have to cover it up, whether with a saran wrap, a pot cover, something. Cover it down and leave it for a while. You see how long I've been rubbing in the butter? Alright, I think that distribute now. Now we're going to start to knead our dough. And it's not cook, you're going to put the dumpling, so take your time with the dough. Alright? This can be used for supper after you already had that heavy dinner. After you have that heavy dinner, you want something light to go to your bed. Persons who are watching the weight. This will be great. This is very light supper. Can go and lie down after you eat. No big yam, big dumpling, big plate of rice. This is perfect for supper. And I don't think this one no more water. We have to rub it out. Get all the dry flour together. Before you add any more water, see what's going on first. Alright? Can you see that, people? Squeeze your dough. Put it to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Come back and press it down again. Alright, let the dough rise by himself. See that? The dough is perfect. What the dough want now is to sit. Alright? Can't just fry it right away. Alright, so we're going to let this sit. We're going to cover it with pot cover. Let us roll out some of our dumplings. Cut them in shapes. I don't know how you want to cut them. But you want to cut yours. My shape is not perfect. Alright? Cut them how you want them, alright? In half, in 4. I don't know, because this could cut again, you know. You could come like this. Alright? There. So you could cut that again, or you just want to cut it in 2, like in this. Doesn't matter. We're rolling them out thin. Alright, right here, bring it together. Flash on. Hello. Thank you. Roll it out. Get dumpling thin and fry quicker. You know you're used to your round dumpling. Cut it in 4. Cut it in 2. Alright, we're going to throw enough oil in the pot so the dumpling can float. Alright, put a lot of oil in the pot so the dumpling can float. Let the oil hot, turn on the stove. Alright. And put some of the half in there. Water. Used to your round dumpling. Well, it's not the round one. See that? Careful. See that? Alright. Enough oil so that your dumpling can swim. So whether you want to cut it in half, whether you want to cut it, and these feel nice. Golden brown. Let them fry until they're golden brown. We're going to get those tunas out of the tin and throw off the water, put up our seasoning, and our breakfast is ready. Alright? Alright people, dumpling in the pot frying, dumpling in a full of dumpling. 2 halves. So this one's swelling. They're soft and nice. Alright. And in here we have dumplings, halves, quarters. Alright, so we're going to look about our tuna. So we're washing some ground seasoning. Want some time? Lie, my knife sharp, son. This is beautiful. Watch my finger, you know. I must have one cut already. Ah, that's nice. You just run through them. That's nice. Many thanks to my neighbor who sharpened my knife. But yeah, this is so nice. Wow. Wow. This is just run through my finger, do you know? Just a run through seas, me I tell you, know. Okay. That's what I love to see. This is lovely. Alright, and we have some purple onions here. No special way, can cut it any way you want. Alright. But this knife is sharp. I have to be very careful. Alright. Not dull again. Alright. So we have make sure so we have some seasoning to fry up. You love enough onions? Not a problem. And this is the purple onion. Alright. The pepper that I'm going to use is my pickle pepper. And on the channel you can search for it. This one is very old, still strong, wicked. You have to mind how you use it. Pickle escovitch pickle that you put on the fish, it's bad. This is, I'm going to use some of it to fry up. And we have a lot of dumplings over here. Finished. Let's take out the pot. And we have our tuna. Alright. Tuna. I'm going to get off the water of the tuna. 2 of them. I'm going to get the water from it, alright? Lady, stop it out my dumpling. Alright. And we're up and running. We don't want too much oil, so we throw some of the oil. Up and running. Up and running. Now remove the water from the tuna. Remove the water from the tuna. Alright. If it's the one in oil, you can use it with the oil. Alright. The other one, close it and remove the water from the tuna. Alright. Alright. Touch my arm. Alright. You don't want the season fry more than this. Don't burn it. I hate when people burn out the seasoning. Alright. All you need now is some black pepper, and that's it. Alright. A little black pepper, not too much, and breakfast is served. That's it, people. After I make a squeeze. That is it, people. Nice and scrumptious, soft fried dumplings, soft Johnny cake with some tuna for breakfast. Quick and easy Jamaican recipe. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, give the videos a thumbs up. When you subscribe, remember to turn on your notification bell so that you will know when I post something. See you soon.